Pranan, scientific innovation in electromagnetic protection. Pranan technology is the only one that acts as a passive auto-transformer, an innovation endorsed by the Department of Applied Physics at the Polytechnic University of Catalonia. How does it work? It captures environmental radiation, filters the longitudinal components of electromagnetic fields, and emits balancing micropulses that not only reduce cellular noise, but also improve inflammatory parameters and optimize neuroelectrical function. Independent clinical trials conducted at universities such as the Complutense University of Madrid and the University of Granada have confirmed that this technology reduces cellular oxidation and inflammation, as well as improving neurofunctional capacity. Patented technology approved under European directives, guaranteeing its safety and effectiveness in protecting against electromagnetic radiation. Protect what you love most. This is Pranan.